Everything is old-fashioned here, including the two boys. Like if that heel falls off of that tune or from there out,
Okay.
you couldn't get it back on.
Could you not?
No. But what I do with this fella here, see that fella there now.
And do you get many people coming in getting heels done and stuff?
Oh, yes, there's a lot of that now.
Big turnover around it.
No, we're retired pensioners. We're old age pensioners now. We're retired.
Alright. Are you
Yeah,
the
we-
accountant or the apprentice?
What?
Are you the accountant
He's
or the...
the director.
I'm 78 years gone.
But he's only keeping me
I come
straight.
here before dinner.
You come in every day before dinner, do you?
I live out the country.
Oh, I see.
Rural Ireland, like.
He's big farmer.
Not big farmer, a tall farmer.
He grass aside the country.
Wait, hang on. Which you do, I believe? Because I can't
He's a farmer now.
I can't keep turning the camera around.
You can believe both of us, because I am farmer.
Because we're two lawyers.
No, we're not. Because I do the till here most of the
You do what?
till.
The front got hit the bottom, we never opened the seats.
Oh, what about if Michael Noonan comes along and asks you? If he comes along and...
You have to give a fuck about him, because everybody must pay his taxes.
I always paid my taxes.
Oh, I know you did, but yeah.
Why have you got a picture of Our Lady on the till?
Oh, I do, because I'd be very religious now.
But sure, what's she doing minding the money?
Well, she protects the people coming in. And
why
the
out
people
here.
going up.
From being ripped off, is it? Is this your wife up here?
Oh, Jesus, no. You're not in the related.
That's my wife.
We'd often have a political debate here now, and someone would walk in and I'd say, what do you think of the government at the moment? A disaster. And your man, he goes mad dead. Because 99 out of the 100 people that come in said it's a disaster. But your man won't listen to that. But I love it.
They're on the way back, and yeah, it's the government.
Who?
They'll form the next government.
Not it.
Whose is the bicycle? I know.
The only thing I can ride now is the bike.
Jump brothers, mine. You think by looking at this place that there's no money here, but the rest is very well off.
Go with the money.
So it's a big car and they have a big house, and you know what I mean. I think it was a good start to the weekend. Yeah, it was getting full of it.